Hey everybody, it's Charlie here with the Charlie Wills team. All right, I want to bring you what you're seeing here in the photos that I took this weekend is trying to think of some fun content to put online, and sometimes curb appeal is not talked about, at least from like a practical standpoint. It's like, hey, do these things, and they don't really give you practicality behind them. So the photos that you're seeing that we took this weekend were befores and afters. Did some potters, put in new plants that died, improved an area that had little to no landscaping in it at our house. So what we're gonna do here is run through like why we decided to do it. A, because we wanted it to look a nice way, right? But the impact that a little bit of time and a little bit of money can do to make the house look even better than it did before. So as you'll see in the breakdown here is it cost us just a little over $400 in materials. So went to K&A Nursery, and they had a great amount of stuff. If you guys never been there, it's one of the best ones in the area, in my opinion. A lot of products, thousands of things to choose from. So depending on the colors and products that you want to put in your yard. And they do nice guarantees on them too, right? The other thing is labor. It was just me, and then kids helped, right? With planting stuff. But what it teaches them, I think, is how little you can do and the big impact it makes around and how pretty it looks. So we spent about 4 hours as a family outdoors, which is great. I mean, the weather's been amazing. And so you got $400, 4 hours in, and it looks so much different. So anyways, shooting this video to kind of break that down, why we decided to do it, what it looks like, and would love to get your questions and feedback, and just to share a little bit of that story of why we chose to do it. And hopefully it helps somebody that if you're stuck right now to do something fun or easy, I'm happy to always walk you through it. So anyways, enjoy the photos, and look forward to always hearing your feedback. All right, take care.